Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Driven Dave here. I'm really happy to have you with me. Today I'm going to show you something that's really cool. I always get excited when I get a new toy, and I think like one of the best parts about having the 18-inch wheels on the Model 3 is that you can change the wheel covers super easy. So my friends at EV Base have sent me these Arachnid wheel covers today, and I am just super excited to transform the look of my car. I think it's going to come out really, really great. As you can see, I've already kind of taken off one of these, and I already had some aftermarket wheel covers on the car, which I like very much, but I kind of just wanted to change the look. You know, I just kind of got sick of it after a while. So I'm going to switch over to these. I'm going to show you how it's done. I already unboxed these off camera, well, on camera, and you will see everything that comes in the box, and also just kind of how to prep these for installation. So I'm going to show you all of that right now. It's really pretty simple. It takes probably realistically 4 to 5 minutes per wheel cover. You can see there's some of this insulation material along the outside. Now, truthfully, as much as I wanted to do a perfect job, I was impatient. And so there are a couple of spots that maybe are a little crooked, but it gets the job done. It's going to be just fine. And then I also put the center cap on. But as far as like the weather stripping or whatever you want to call that, the gasket material, you're just going to kind of go in a circular motion and just line it up with the edge of the wheel cover, and then press down lightly with your finger, tear it off, move on to the next one. And then there's a, as you can see, this little center cap here. Sorry, I'm out of hands. But the center cap, the same thing. It's got an adhesive backing. It pops right on. So we're going to start with this one up here because I've already removed the wheel cover, and I'm going to show you how to pop this one on. And then we're going to do the other three kind of in real time to see how truly simple this is. So let's get started. All right, we're going to get into this, but before we do, hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And also, if you want to get some of these for yourself, I believe these are the Arachnid wheel covers. I forgot what they're called, but I'm pretty sure that's right. And these are 18-inch. You can get them from EV Base. Check the link in the description, and I will pass on whatever juicy discounts I can get for you in there. So here we go. You'll notice there's a little notch here for the valve stem. So there's the valve stem for those of you that aren't, you know, wheel and tire aficionados. And you'll notice like this needs to line up here. So if you have some sort of center cap, you know, some people just rock the wheel with like a center cap. So you'll have to pop that out because this needs to line up. So you'll just line up the valve stem like so, and you just kind of go around the wheel cover. Man, that looks slick. How cool is that, y'all? And I'm wearing gloves just to keep my hands clean. You know, you do you. That looks amazing. I can't believe how easy that was. It's like a different car now. And like I said, I have some pretty cool ones on already, but it's just nice to change it up a little bit, man. You can change the look of the car with the seasons. Okay, so we're 1 minute and 27 seconds into this. Let's see how long this takes. So whether you're rocking some of these, whether you're rocking the stock aero covers, I just kind of grab a spot where I feel the clips. Some spots are harder than others. There you go. And it's like once you get a couple loose, it just comes right off. No biggie. Same thing here, we're just gonna line up the valve stem cover, or the notch. So that's lined up. And I think what's neat about this design is it kind of covers the stock wheel, so you can kind of line it up really easily for that. Look at that, that is slick. Okay, 2 minutes, let's keep going. Like I said, real time, real time. How fast can we go? I'm gonna adjust the camera. A few second penalty on that. It's the same thing here. Just kind of gently. Now, if you've never removed your stock aero covers, they can be, you may have to really put your back into it. Not a bad idea to take your car to the car wash or hose them off at home, clean these wheels. I'm not gonna do that today. Sorry. This also covers up curb rash, which is pretty nice. So if you have any curb rash, this will take care of all of that. And if you damage these, it's easy to get new ones. Okay, 3 minutes in. We're doing great. There we go. Come on now. There's one. It's usually by the time you get 2 or 3, it's game over. There. Glad I'm wearing these gloves. Again, we're just going to line that up and boom. Done. That looks so cool. Like, I'm genuinely like blown away right now. Under 4 minutes. So about a minute per wheel. That's if you're not, and that's if you're filming. Just gonna put these away. Let's kind of take a step back and dig on the car. Yeah. I mean, this is all subjective, but I think it looks really cool. I liked it before, I like it after. It looks fantastic. And it's just so nice having the ability to make these changes so quickly. Man, that just looks like so much more aggressive. I love it. All right, y'all, I think that's gonna wrap it up for the installation of these Arachnid wheel covers. I don't know what to tell you, just look at it, man. It looks phenomenal. So I am super jazzed about this. Can't thank you, EV Base, enough for sending these out. I'm in love. It gives the car a whole new look, a whole new attitude. And as you saw, you can change that appearance just like that. If you wanna put your old aero covers on, no problem. Whatever you want to do, super duper easy. And I just think it came out awesome, awesome. So again, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out down below in the description, discount codes and all of that good stuff, so you can get some of these for yourself. Just awesome looking wheel covers. Speaks for itself. So in any case, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay driven.